Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove my WhatsApp from other devices. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Once you have logged in into your WhatsApp account, head over to the three dots icon on the upper right corner. And here go to linked devices. You must know that if you have linked your devices with your WhatsApp account other than your mobile or your phone, like in any other phone or smartphones or laptop PCs, whatever it can be. So you can just see it here in which places your account is currently logged in. And if you want to just remove your WhatsApp from those devices, click on the specific one. And after clicking, you will get an option like this. Click on logout or close as you want to remove remove your account from that specific device. Click on logout, and once you log it out, that device from the device, your WhatsApp account will be removed. And yeah, it was that easy. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.